Money and love, two things that bring couples together or pull them apart. But what if love is actually the key to better money conversations? Proverbs 10 and 12 says that hatred stirs up strife, but love covers all offenses. That verse reminds us that when we let frustration lead our conversations, we're actually creating conflict. But when we lead with love, we create connection. And so, with that being said, love isn't just a feeling, it is an action. 1 Corinthians 13, 4 through 7 teaches us this. It says just a few things like love is patient and kind, it's not jealous, it keeps no record of wrong. And then at the end of these verses, it says that love never gives up, never loses faith, it's always hopeful, and most importantly, it endures through every circumstance. So before you have that next money conversation, ask yourself, am I speaking from love or frustration? And if you and your spouse struggle to talk about money without conflict, I'd love to help you. Sign up today for a free 30-minute consultation and let's bring peace back into your finances. I'm Latrice, a financial coach, helping Christians improve their relationship with God and money so that they can live with peace and freedom. Have a blessed day.